The pandemic coronavirus practically halted the economic activity in our country. However, last September, uh, the business has started looking up. The steel industry is looking up since then, and presently the steel demand is very, very high. Keeping that in view, RINL is going to have a bright future, and RINL is going to turn around once again as it did last time. On this occasion, I wish you all a very happy and prosperous New Year 2021. Thank you.
2020 has been a really challenging year and has taught us many lessons. Shutting down blast furnace and revival of blast furnace is one of the key learnings this year. And reducing production in times of corona and ramping up and reaching the production levels in the month of December is really speaks about the strength of organization. Year is ending with a very bright note, and I wish happy and prosperous year 2021 to RINL Collective. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I feel really proud to be part of this program for a message to be given for the new year. Last year, same time, the environment which we were in at that point of time was quite different from what today we are in terms of our production performance, in terms of our financials, in terms of the society as a whole, because nobody had expected the new year will start with a challenge, that is the pandemic situation, which started from February this year in the world and followed by in India from mid-March onwards, which really dampened the spirit of the momentum that we had for the country as a whole and company as a whole in the beginning of the year. Almost 6 months passed in that situation where the activities were hardly normal kind of activities. It was a new norm when the pandemic situation forced us not only to cut down our production, but also to maintain a different kind of personal and social life, where meeting each other became extremely difficult for the concern about the health of not only one individuals but the society as a whole. However, the year is going to end now, and the situation has changed quite a lot. Not that we have come out of the challenge, but in terms of the industrial activity, in terms of the economic activity, things have changed drastically from what it was in the first quarter of this year. Last 2 months, the industry as a whole, and specifically RINL, has really come out of the difficulties quite a bit, and today we can proudly say that the production is running at 100% capacity. The sales is happening matching with the production. The inventory has been come down drastically from 7 lakh tons to almost 2 lakh tons or so. The prices have moved up, the realization has improved, and we are entering into an era of net profit from an era last year of EBITDA negative. So this gives the confidence that new year, with whatever little bit of challenge left from the pandemic situation, should give us all the success, good health and safe environment to go further. I wish all my colleagues, the family members of the RINL fraternity, a very best new year, and also pray God that they should have best of health and success in wherever they are working, and company will definitely prosper once all the employees prosper, not only in the official part but also in the personal part, for the new year 2021, and thanking you all.
Year 2020 చాలా డిఫికల్ట్ టైమ్స్ మన స్టీల్ సెక్టర్కి, హెల్త్ ఇష్యూస్, లాట్ ఆఫ్ డిఫికల్టీస్ we have faced, but last 2-3 months the steel market is now booming. We are able to sell good value. This month we are expecting net profit also for this month. That is a good sign. All the 3 blast furnaces are running at full swing. More than 18,000 tons of productions and almost nearing to 120 heats per day we are making. That shows that commitment from all of our employees, from the lowermost person to the senior-most person, are working hard to turn around this company. With that, this month we are almost touching a sales of 2,300 crores and highest hot metal productions since inceptions, highest liquid steel production since inceptions. During this year, we have also started battery 5 commissioning. Good cooperation between the operations department. We are able to commission the battery successfully. This is a record that in the very first day itself, we are able to charge all the 67s. That shows the commitment of the Coke Oven collective to make the coke available for 18 to 90,000 tons of hot metal production in-house without buying from outside. We have a pushings also has ramped up. We are now pushing 64 to 65 ovens per day. So these shows that all our employees have got lot of potential to perform, and we are performing to the best during the hard times, and definitely Almighty will shower all His blessings on us to come out of these difficult situations. Let us all work together and make this plant a turnaround. I assure you that plant is in good hands, and we will see that plant start profit. This is the first month after many months. This is the first month we are going to have a net profit, and hopefully next quarter, fourth quarter, will be a booming month for all of us. So I appeal to all of my colleague employees to work together, to work hard, to give something to the company to make it around. I wish you all good health for you, your family and your friends. Be safe, be healthy. Jai Hind.
I am Venkata Nagireddy. I have recently joined RINL as the CBO, and it is a great privilege for being associated with the pride of Andhra, which is our Vizag steel plant. It is one of our Navaratnas, one of our best integrated steel plants in India, and has been a role model in many of the activities in the steel industry. This year of 2020 has been posing lot of testing times to our nation as well as the world, considering the pandemic scenario. Despite the troubles, despite the issues which are life-threatening and which are also quite demotivating, the Vizag steel plant management as well as the executives, the employees and all fraternity and stakeholders of Vizag RINL have put in a tremendous effort to bounce back and again get into the path of attaining their targets, their objectives, which is very encouraging and which is a matter of a prestige to all of us. I wish all our colleagues and each and everyone associated with RINL the best of times to come, and we hope to see that the year 2021 gives a great fillip to Vizag RINL to become a reckoning name in the steel industry, not only in the public sector but also in the global scenario as a steel producing giant. We also have celebrated this year the Vigilance Awareness Week with the theme Vigilant India, Prosperous India, and it is important to mention here that despite the COVID scenario, we have all put in a concerted effort to improve the vigilance perspective of various departments in the RINL, which is a cumulative effort, a combined effort, and I expect this will definitely have a positive impact on the performance of RINL. I wish you all a very successful, peaceful, healthy and prosperous 2021. Jai Hind.